Guys, so we are dressed and ready to go. The kids are in the back with the little cute little swim. I have my husband. We're going right now to General Dollar to get some slippers, maybe for Jaden, and the little sweaters, I think it's called, for the water park, because those don't get filled up with water like the regular Pampers do. Yeah, and I'm all dressed. We're supposed to be meeting everybody over there because this is a church trip. I think already, I'm not sure. I think we're running late already. But I'll see you guys once we get to the water park. Tengo que bajar a los niños del carro. We're looking for rides to start riding. Let's go, buddies. To start riding or to start getting wet because it is getting hot already. Walking around. Look at this cute little path. Go get wet, Manny. Huh? Go get wet. Are getting wet right now. I am with the stroller with Arlette, waiting for them to come out. I don't know if we should go and explore other areas if the kids will be allowed. But yeah, we shall see. We're in a station what they call the, I think it's called the wave pool or the wave surf wave. I think it's called. I went into this ride that goes down and I got water all inside my nostrils, all inside my nose. It's just crazy. I'm drinking, I got the refillable drink. I think you can refill it for $1. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me because it's so loud here. It's very loud. The sun is mean today. Manny's throwing some water to people in the pirate ships. Our left is here. We went to a couple of rides. I actually do want to go in this one right here. Alright. So hot. I'm gonna go to the other like surf pool, I think it's called. I'm not sure. But they have a lot of cool rides. They have that island here. They have that one right there. They have that one that I just showed you guys. And there's more going that way. But yeah, look at the kids.
chiquito que uno nada, que no cuesta.
Manny, come on, let's go to the pool. We're back home. I just took a shower. I put this t-shirt on. I'm gonna be making some dinner. I'm starving. I think it's honestly, I will tell you guys what time it is right now. It's 6:30, so we literally just walked in like at 6. I think the park closes today at 7, but yeah, I'm exhausted. We did a lot of things. It was very hard to record because it's a water park and my camera is not a waterproof camera. And it was very hard. So I got as much content as I could for you guys. The kids are fussing. They're tired. They don't want to do anything. Right now they don't want to listen for anything. But yeah, I will continue with the vlog tomorrow. Let me take care of this right now. Rapping. Jenny is having a fit today.
They're changing the playground.
Yeah, they're probably gonna make it bigger. He was talking about his school. They are changing the playground. So I'm guessing they're gonna have something new once he goes back. Guys, I am having a little allergic reaction to something. Can you guys tell right here? Like, it's my face looks crazy. But, my dad is coming with us today. And they're talking about plumbing and nasty. I'm in the back with the kids because he's Almost. We're here. We're all set here. We're gonna start setting the sticks for to throw the crab, whatever thing, the meat week. The way we catch crab is because we tie on a chicken a piece of I forgot what's it called, and then we throw it into the water and then we wait for it to bite, and then we go in with the little nest and just catch the crab from there. I haven't come in a minute, honestly, crabbing. It's gonna be like a very fast crabbing trip because I have to go to church all the way to Queens today, and it's gonna be a trip to go. But yeah, look guys, the view is so beautiful. Wait, I caught the first crab. You see it on the net right there. So this is what I mean with the poles. Like if you use chicken legs, this is the best meat to catch, the chicken leg. And we tie it on a little string, then we throw it in the water.
Ahí la cubeta.
Ahí está la primera vez. Y está bonita ya. Guys, see this bamboo sticks, my husband cut them and slimmed them like that. You guys see that? And then it goes in the ground and we wait for it to bite, and it starts pulling the thread when it has fish. Look at this street, guys. This reminds me of my country, Honduras. Look at this beautiful view. Yeah. So we're finished grabbing. We caught a lot of crabs. I'm not sure how many crabs we catch, but it was a lot in the amount of time. I think was like in an hour that we caught a lot. But we're ready to go home, clean them up, and cook them.
Captain, I don't understand attacking in his device again. Why? Where are you?
I'm gonna be closing out the vlog today. I am sick. Like, the kids are sick. I'm sick. So that kind of helped me for me not to vlog for the past days, as you can tell. I feel horrible. But please give me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a like. Support me somehow. You know, I'm working hard out here to make content for you guys to enjoy. I'm gonna be blogging more, hopefully once I feel better. It's just been the worst. The kids, even Arlette, is sick. She's right here, by the way. Hey mama, you're sweating. She's been playing with the kids. But like, as you can see, my hair. Do you hear the crying? Like, it's just been crazy. I can't even keep my eyes open. It's just a lot. And the worst part is when you're by yourself and you have to take care of your kids, even being sick and them sick. You can just imagine how hard that is. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Subscribe, support me. I love you, beautiful people of this world. Besos.